Yeah, I mean, all the time, roofs don't have to have leaks to need repaired due to insurance losses. A lot of times they are leaking, but a lot of times they're not leaking. But all we're looking for on a roof to know if an insurance company has to replace it or should replace it is there wind or hail damage? How severe is it? And is it repairable? And then on steep slope roofs, people's houses typically, we also get into matching. In the state of Tennessee, it's supposed to be a reasonable, uniform appearance whenever we patch something. So a lot of times, it's not that it's impossible to patch it. Sometimes it is impossible to patch it if it's what we consider unrepairable. But a lot of roofs will run into, if it's an insurance loss, they will be repairable, quote unquote, but it won't match after. And when something doesn't match after, a lot of, homeowners and, people looking to buy houses, investors, whatever they are, will consider that to devalue the home. And once something devalues the home and it's not matching, then at that point, we have to get them back to a pre-loss condition, whether we replace that slope to make it match or whether you replaced all of it. All the time we find where the color and the size may be discontinued or either or. So a lot of times what we do when we're preferred contractors or if we're just representing somebody in a private insurance loss, you pull the material off, you can send it to some third-party companies and they will tell us, if it's available, and they'll tell you like what it is, what color it is and all that. In the state of Tennessee, it's supposed to, whenever we replace something, it's supposed to have a reasonable uniform appearance.